Hi everyone, this is Bryn. Today I want to show you a couple of updates to my $5 do-it-yourself clamp mount. I originally made the $5 clamp mount by buying a cheap clamp from the hardware store. I then drilled out the holes in the end of the handles to accommodate a 1/4 inch bolt or thumb screw like this. I then fitted some 1/4 inch nuts as spacers and a 1/4 inch wing nut to provide tension against the handle. Then I added the GoPro tripod adapter to make a very cheap but versatile mount that enables me to capture even more unique footage with my GoPro Hero camera. It's proved to be quite a popular video, and at one point GoPro even tweeted that they thought it was a really cool idea. Since then, I've made some improvements to the design by replacing the longer bolts with shorter 1/4 inch bolts like these ones here. These are 12 millimeters long. I add a 1/4 inch nut as a spacer, and then I insert it into the handle. I'll just unscrew the GoPro from here and screw it on the other side. Okay, now this enables me to use a Phillips head screwdriver and lock down the tripod adapter tight against the handle, and that way there's no movement at all. So that's update number one. But the second update is that since GoPro released the quick release tripod mount, you can use that instead of the original tripod adapter to turn your do-it-yourself clamp mount into a do-it-yourself quick release clamp mount. Of course, the $5 doesn't include the cost of the tripod mount, but if you already have one, then it certainly makes it cheaper than buying some of the ready-made clamp mounts that are out there. Click the GoPro in. Using the quick release tripod mount allows you to very quickly clip into the clamp mount and then back out again to clip into other mounts such as the chesty mount, the vented helmet strap, the Go rig, or another quick release tripod mount, all of which use the quick release connection. Okay, let's have a look at some more example footage of the $5 do-it-yourself quick release clamp mount in action.